past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Le 11 février 2026, à Palm Beach, dans l'État de Floride aux États-Unis, un policier arrête une automobiliste après l'avoir aperçu en train d'utiliser son téléphone au volant. Ce qui semblait être un simple contrôle routier pour usage d'un téléphone au volant va rapidement prendre une tournure totalement inattendue.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gasala with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Recently, you're being pulled over in the city of Lake Worth today. We're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Obviously not. So you want to just call this a day?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up.
La conductrice se nomme Katie Thomas. Elle est née sans main droite et a appris depuis son enfance à vivre avec un seul bras. En montrant son bras droit, elle pense que le policier va immédiatement réaliser son erreur. Mais l'agent va insister, jusqu'à lui faire une demande surprenante.
You just said my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
So
had a
you
hand up.
didn't.
The right hand. I saw you
So you
manipulate
didn't.
with the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw you.
You didn't see me with my right
Okay,
hand.
so are you
You're
saying-
saying that you saw me with
I
my
know
right
what I
hand.
just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you yeah, or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your
I
hand.
did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration,
Yes,
and
I
insurance
do.
with you.
Plus tard, Katie expliquera que ce n'est pas la remarque sur sa main droite qui l'a le plus marqué. Le moment le plus difficile, selon elle, survient lorsque le policier lui demande de lever la main pour prêter serment. Elle dira ensuite avoir eu le sentiment que son bras droit n'était pas considéré comme une main suffisante pour lever la main devant Dieu. Ce qu'elle juge particulièrement ironique, puisque selon ses mots, c'est Dieu qui me l'a donné. Katie cherche alors les papiers du véhicule, pensant que l'agent allait simplement poursuivre le contrôle avant de repartir. Mais la suite va la surprendre.
Insurance too?
Just to get insurance. Who's
My
Mr. Thomas?
husband.
L'agent contrôle ensuite le permis de conduire et le certificat d'assurance de Katie, puis repart à son véhicule. Il ne compte pas en rester là, et il va persister dans ce qu'il pense avoir vu, malgré le témoignage de la jeune femme.
All right, ma'am. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you
Okay.
put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it,
I
yeah?
did not put that. No, if you want to take it to
But
court,
that's what you said when
Okay.
you pulled me over,
Yes,
yes?
that's what I
that
said,
you
yes.
saw me holding my
I'm
device
not,
with my right
I'm
hand.
not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court,
And that's what you saw.
that's what I said. I said
That's
yes.
what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If
Okay.
you want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket, that's how you take that ticket to court. Hey, you have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
Le policier demandera finalement l'annulation de la contravention. De son côté, la conductrice expliquera ne jamais avoir pensé que l'agent agissait par méchanceté. Selon elle, il s'est simplement retrouvé confronté à une situation qu'il n'avait encore jamais rencontrée. Cette intervention, devenue virale, rappelle qu'au-delà de l'application de la loi, certaines situations exigent aussi de savoir prendre du recul.